One of the major issues facing New York City is exponential sea level rise, with some areas of Manhattan and other neighborhoods being affected more than others. Nevertheless, the city plans on funding many different initiatives and erecting various forms of infrastructure around the city to combat the damage projected as a result of rising sea level. New York is particularly in danger because of its location off of the Atlantic coast and its lower elevation areas. When sea level rises, entire neighborhoods and sections of the city are at risk of being underwater. New York has faced a total sea level rise of 9 inches since as far back as 1950, with a projected rise of another 6 inches by 2031, according to the Sea Level Rise Organization. This projection could be exceeded, however, due to the rate of sea level rise increasing. Because of drainage issues and the rising sea level, New York City has had issues with seawater flooding streets and areas due to ocean pressure causing water to come up through the drainage systems and spill out into the city itself. Not only is the sea level rising, but New York is also sinking slowly, making it appear as if the sea is rising more than it is in relation to the city itself. The mayor of New York City, Bill de Blasio, plans to combat the rising sea level in a number of ways. Building flood barriers, sand dunes, and seawalls around the city will ensure that New Yorkers can slow the damage of the rising sea at their border. New York is planning on spending over $4 billion to combat the damage that climate change is predicted to do to their city. With the funding and plan in place, they may be able to prevent more catastrophic damage from happening in the future.